Hey James, how you doing? How's the kids? How's the dog? And how's the grass? All good and swell? Okay. So as you can tell by the title of this video, what we're doing is a review. A hair review. And guess what I got? You know what this little smile means? It's a smile, right? Amazon. And I told y'all, true life, I love Amazon, you know? So, let's see. So this video is brought to you by the company Donmily, y'all. You already know that I did a hair review with them a little while back, so they got in contact with me. So of course this video is sponsored by yours truly, Donmily. Let's get into this wig. First, okay, in the packet we have a pair of F14 lashes, cute or whatever. We have a wig cap, two-piece black, but I am convinced this might be a synthetic wig. I'm not sure yet. And then of course we have the, oh, I think it's a synthetic wig. We have the wig. And I smelled it. So first of all, it has a smell. So it's supposed to be some cute little curly, it looked like, first of all, pet. It feels cute. It feels nice. Well, anyways, I will leave all the links in the comment below of where you can purchase it. The link to this exact hair. The link to their Amazon store. You know, Prime. Okay, everybody loves Prime. Everybody say Prime on 3. 1, 2, 3, Prime. Okay, so go shop on Amazon. Go shop on Donmily. And, yeah. And also, y'all want to know something? $34. This wig costs $34. So that's why I am to believe that it is a synthetic wig. Because it probably wouldn't, you know. I think it's a synthetic. But it doesn't give me too synthetic vibes, man. It's human hair. It's human hair, okay, guys? It is the Afro Kinky. It's a short wig, Brazilian Remy human hair wig with the color 1B, and this is 6 inches. Now my thing is, I'm gonna have to pick this bad boy out. It's gonna be like a cute little afro, and I'm kind of, you know, excited to style this up a little bit and see what it look like. Wash it. It feels really nice. That's why I was trying to figure out if this was really synthetic. But the fact that it was $30, $34, I'm like, it has to be. But it's Brazilian Remy. Think I could fly iron this? Imagine if I fly iron this. What else can I tell you guys about this unit? It is 130 density. It is average cap size. And it says the hair can be dyed. Okay. I'm kind of, you know, excited to see how this works out. Hello. I'm about to put this bad boy on because give me a wig cap. Why it's black? Doesn't matter because this wig is actually not a lace. Is it a lace? No, it's really not. So we're gonna use the wig. Yo! I'm done. We're gonna make this do what it do because we not about to go out like that.
Badges on the beat.
Look like welcome to the cookout guy, or like R-E-S-B-E-C-T, what it means to me. just started getting tired, so if you want, you can do this whole little shebang right here. But what's gonna happen is I'm just gonna do this.
Badges on the beat. Badges on the beat.
I don't know, kind of like
Digits on the beat.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment below. Let your girl know how you feel, and do not forget to check the description box, because all the specs and info about this wig, where you could get it, who you could contact, what you need to know, and who you need to know it from, will be in the comments. In the description.